Doon na, German ka pala ha. Tataka na. So, goodbye Germany. Wow. Paglabas mo po ka guys, diretso ka na mag-swimming. O, yan o. Welcome to Egypt! Yay!
These skies have a different light. Why noise that keeps me up at night? I can't help but think back to you.
Hi guys, good morning and welcome back to another vlog. It's me, Oliver Kagas. Guys, for today's video, we are going to
Flying.
Okay, we are flying to Egypt today. So, ang nag-drive po ngayon ay ang mama ni Joey and kasama ko si Joey, nasa harapan natin sila. And it's raining in Germany at this moment of time, no? Tignan nyo, umuulan talaga siya. Umuulan ngayon sa Germany, so kailangan natin ng sa Germany po kasi ngayon ay pa-autumn na, pa-herbs, so kaya ang panahon ay palaging ganito. Okay. Pero tayo, I think it takes 30 to 35 minutes doon na tayo sa Frankfurt International Airport, sa Terminal 2 kami. Hindi pa kami naka-check-in kasi gusto naming mag-check-in online but hindi siya mag-function ngayon kasi normally kapag di ba pwedeng mag-check-in online pero hindi siya mag-function ngayon kung saan kami something wrong ngayon. I hope everything is okay yung flight namin and please ask Lord, pray muna tayo.
33 Minuten kein Stau, das ist schon wenig Stau. Aber ich würde sagen, dann holen wir hier gerade beim Lidl was für die Fahrt oder für den Tag. Und
Amen. So, guys, ayan na po ang airport. Airport ng Frankfurt. Nasa kami, Terminal 2. Terminal 2 kami punta. Or yeah, doon yung amin. Wow, ito po yung airport ka guys, oh. Wow! So big! You know, ito po, oh. Ang laki, no? Look. So, goodbye Germany. Goodbye Deutschland. Goodbye Germany. Punta na po kami ng Egypt. Hello, first time. At saka first time ko din gagamitin ang aking German passport out of the country, out of Europe. First time ko siyang magagamit ngayon. Wow, hindi na talaga tayo kukuha ng mga apply pa ng visa kapag magtulis visa or what. Diretso ka na lang doon. Doon na, German ka pala ha. Tataka na agad. So ayun, first time lahat. First time ko rin makapunta ng Egypt, yes. First time ako mag-out of Europe na nung nandito na ako sa Germany. Kasi nandito ako sa Germany, dito naman tayo sa Europe, no? Ano mo siya ng Europe? Or Schengen visa ba? Or Europe? Part lang siya. So ngayon, first time ko rin maipadpad sa Egypt na ano siya, parang nasa Bible, di ba yan din ang Egypt din. Feuer Washer. Feuerwehr.
da haben wir zwei links.
Die Mitte.
Nach 300 Metern den linken Fahrstreifen benutzen, um links abzubiegen.
Here we are.
Here we are.
Ist ja richtig.
Ja, geradeaus.
Kaya guys, nababasa nyo po yan. Frankfurt Airport. Ayan. Malaki-laki. So we are now in Frankfurt International Airport. So mag-check-in na po kami. Dito na mababitbit natin. Bago siya check-in. Si Joey. Here. Dano. Guys, tapos na po kami mag-check-in. Tapos it takes 1 hour and 30 minutes mag-check-in kasi po nung una, 2 tao pa lang yung nag-check-in. Nagtrabaho doon ba sa check-in. So ngayon, naging 4 hanggang naging 5. Ay, 4 lang pala. Sama natin si Joey. Yeah. And thank you, Joey, because he upgraded our seat into
Dankeschön.
into what did you upgrade? What did you upgrade?
Our set
Yeah,
to XXL set.
XXL.
For my Filipino comfort friend.
Well, you need I am
For
I am
you,
small.
not for me.
I am small, so I can like that.
Yeah, yeah.
But you need
And?
that. And we are going to sit near in the window.
I have a question. How can I eat a salad without...
Here, open everything. So, at this moment of time, we are in the McDonald's kasi po, kakain muna kami before yung mag-boarding kasi po, mayroon pa kami 1 hour. So, ito na po, oh. Boarding time is 1:25. Hala! 1:25, mag-boarding time na pala. Wala, dapat bilisan natin pagkain.
Nimm Salat und go. Nimm Salat.
Bilisan natin pagkain pala.
Get Salat.
Achso.
Ang boarding time is, ngayon na, 1:25. Kain tayo kasi po, it takes 5 hours ata. Yes, 5 hours. Ang biyahe namin galing Frankfurt to Egypt. Serviette?
Bitte?
Ng serviette. So, kain na po muna kami kasi boarding time namin. Ngayon na pala. Sige lang, pero may oras pa. Sa taas kami, sa ibaba lang naman yun. Malapit kami sa ano kung saan kami. Sa ibaba lang kami ang boarding. So, kain na muna tayo.
Wir warten noch, bis das Essen kommt.
Deckel aufmachen.
Hmm?
Man sollte die Deckel aufmachen und
Das
trinken.
ist alles voll. Das
Keine?
sind alle besetzt.
Ja, alles gut, ich
Du
hab
hast
jetzt
keinen
meinen.
Platz mehr.
Vegan. Salad.
So, Matze vor.
Joey!
Mein Gott, dieser Mann.
So, we are now in the boarding time. We can sit here and listen.
This is against the light.
Dok, here, guck mal.
Uh-oh.
Boarding time. You are waiting for, I think 30 minutes more. 35 minutes and 30 minutes and we are flying to the clouds. To
Over the clouds, I hope.
Over the clouds or under the clouds. It's okay. But the most important is we can go to Egypt or Hurghada safely. We arrived there safely. So, naglagay din ako, nagdala ko ng maliit ng ventilator ba, yung maliit na tawag ito? What's that called here? Recliner. Yes,
Kleine?
Electric fan. Okay lang, dala lang. Tapos nagdala din kami ng pagkain. It's okay to bring food pala, no? To bring food, yeah.
Yeah.
Nagdala ko ng pagkain dito para
Just not allowed drink.
drinks ay hindi allowed, yung mga fluid, no? Fluid. Pero kapag pagkain, pwede dito. Nagdala ko ng pagkain ng mga bread.
Because maybe gift, maybe toxic or gas or that's why you don't.
So food is okay, is allowed. Okay, so are you excited na?
I'm a little bit excited, yeah, but I know what we will see because I was in Egypt 2 years ago.
But why they don't put my card stamp for Egypt? Why they don't put stamp Egypt in my passport? Du hast auch, oder?
Ja, das machen wir, wenn wir in Ägypten sind.
Draußen, wenn wir da im Flughafen.
If you are in Egypt, then you get the visum.
You mean the stamp? Egypt stamp.
That's the
Okay.
visum, yeah.
Yeah, like tourist visa. So, excited na ako na first.
Then they want money, always money.
You need to pay?
Ja, es kostet Geld.
How much? We need to pay in the airport in
Maybe 40
Egypt?
euro or 30.
Really?
What? Yeah, it's like here in Germany, the tax, the core tax.
Yeah, but I didn't pay before.
You need to pay if you want to get a visa here. But Uwe and Egbert paid for you always.
If I get visa, I paid for before. I paid before, yeah.
In every country.
I
But it's
forget.
not so expensive, I think it's 30 euro or 40 for the 10 days.
I know that travel tax. Travel tax.
Yeah, the temporary visa is this.
Okay. So now,
So ngayon,
ngayon, nandito na kami, naghintay na kami sa aming mga, alam mo naman, dito, dyan kami, dyan. Pasok kami in some minutes. But we need to go there, we need to wait there.
yeah, we can also wait here, but it doesn't matter. We have 1 hour.
30 minutes more.
30?
Yeah, here, look. So, it's 2 p.m. now. So, I'm excited. And I'm so excited to show to guys the Egypt because it's my first time. And maybe that's their first time also to see Egypt.
Yeah, Egypt is beautiful.
And I want to tell them why we don't
Beautiful in this area where we are. Egypt is not a safe country in mostly areas. So there's tourism.
You know why we don't have haircut?
But
We don't have haircut, frisurs? Because we want to try to go to the salon in Egypt.
yeah, we want to try it.
We want to try it. So Joey told me, Oliver, why not? We will try in Egypt. I say, okay. I think it's I want to try everything, so we'll try. And how much it costs? So
I don't know, but in the hotel it's expensive. But if we go into the city, there's I think cheap.
cheaper, no? Guys, yan po ang sasakyan namin, Air Cairo. Yan. Wow. Wow! Air Cairo.
It's not the best. Don't fly with it.
Ito kami sa, sa
This one would be failed. Not bad.
Yeah, but Thomas na Emma on team.
Gusto ko man ang ubi.
Wo bist du jetzt? Where are you now? Waiting for?
For the third bus.
Okay. Nandito kami sa bus ngayon and nasa harapan na po sa amin ang aeroplano na sakyan namin. Hindi siya masyadong malaki kasi ito lang Air Cairo ay maliit lang naman talaga siya. So, hintay pa namin kung kailan i-open kasi nakita namin yung magbagahe namin, nilalagay pa siya sa aeroplano. Ang bagahe, Yan, yung mga bagahe ka guys. Ayan. Nilalagay pa siya sa aeroplano. Ay, dito na kami sa aeroplano.
Also, jetzt 160 Euro mehr gekostet haben.
Andito ako sa here. Ika guys.
Hey friends. Hi guys. Hey friends. Hi guys.
What do you want to say? It's so high, no? Mainit pa.
Guck mal, du hast hier. Hast schon aufgedreht.
Kasi meine Arbeit
Ist schon. Cheese.
para ko mahilo sa
Cheese. Okay.
para ko mahilo, iba't ibang amoy kasi. Doon na kami na pagkain. Binili namin kayo na sa river. Bread. So may akain kami. So bibili na lang namin dito kape. Makikikape tayo para masaya ang biyahe natin. Or drinks lang man para alam ko mahal to pero sige na lang dito talaga. I think we are lucky today because normally we have 3 people here, 3 seats. And now
I'm sure you have seen this one. Really cool, but
Because expensive.
expensive here.
we from flight like
It is a Seite.
you were.
Ein Sitz, 30 Euro.
Thank you very much.
Für hin und zurück jeweils 2 Personen.
Okay, so now we still have here free chair, free seat.
If he's too much annoying, I will go on this seat.
It's okay. I want to annoy you now, so you can go there. So we have Alvision space.
Was?
Bitte gib mal da. We need, you have a lot of.
I have an idea. So because in the ticket this is my place, so you can sit here if you want.
maybe later. We will exchange later. Now I'm going to enjoy my window seat, so I can see the birds, can see the clouds also. I'm going to enjoy it first, okay? So later we're gonna exchange the mood. So goodbye Germany and welcome to Egypt na po tayo. But nandito pa tayo sa Frankfurt kasi hindi po siya nag-start. Na-late po ang sakyan ngayon. May aeroplano. Pati naman dito sa aeroplano, late pa rin. Parang hindi mo ko tinatanan sa mga late yan. Sa train, sa bus, laging late. Nandito pa ba naman?
Was? Wieso gibt das die ganze Zeit?
Ganda na mga clouds, no?
Nicht so nah.
Kain na po kami ng yung binili natin kanina na bread doon sa river. Bumili tayo dito ng kula. Wait lang. Dito ng kula. And water. Siya din bumili si Joey ng kula pero walang Cola Light. Ay, tubig lang kaya tubig ang binili niya kasi walang Cola Light, walang Cola Zero. Original taste lang na Cola. Iniinom niya kasi is Cola Light or Cola Zero. So tubig na lang binili niya. So ngayon, this one, it cost 3 euro. Isang ganito. Tsaka ito naman 3 euro. 6 euro binili ko.
Arabic.
Arabic?
Arabic Coke.
Arabic?
Ja, Arabic.
Egyptian?
Ja,
It's Arabic na.
Egypt to speak Arabic.
In Egypt, they speak Arabic. Now I know.
But on the airport, 4 euro.
Really?
Yeah, and duty free fee 4 euro. I checked this as I was on toilet.
Oh,
4 euro and 25 cents.
for you. Oh, it's more expensive in airport than in airplane. Oh my god. I want to eat now. Do you want?
Was ist das?
Cheddar.
Ich probiere mal.
Cheddar mit Mandel. Thank you, Lord.
Pudding. Pudding Creme.
Earlier, I fell asleep. I fell asleep. Ich habe geschlafen, you know.
Ich glaube 10 Minuten oder so. Dann noch.
10 minutes, I fell asleep. It's okay. That's a power nap. Kaya nung pagising ko, may pagkain na. What's that?
Vegan sausage. And cheese.
Smells bad now. Still because of the sausage.
And cheese.
Nagkaranta na sana sausage and cheese.
And cheese.
Yeah guys, gabi na po dito. Andito pa rin kami sa Himpapawid. Tapos Max Toda, what are you doing?
I'm staying because I can't sit anymore. Was ist das für ein Land?
Si Joey ay standing ovation kasi sabi niya hindi na daw siya hindi niya kaya na mag-upo lang palagi kaya nag-standing ovation na siya. So ngayon, mag-fill out tayo nito. Ano to, purpose of this is purpose of arrival. So, fill out natin sa pag-arrival natin doon sa Egypt. Nakalagay pa dito, oh, address sa Egypt. Joey, where are we now?
We are in Egypt.
Which just landed. We just landed here in Egypt. Nasa ano na kami? We are now in the land. So, sakay kami ng train. Train. We're going to...
Das Urlaub nicht mehr gefilmt werden sollte.
We're going to ride with bus para punta na kami sa airport. Guys,
Jetzt
we are
das war
still
so
waiting.
klar.
Guck mal.
Ja, ja, guck mal.
Hi.
Welcome back to another airport vlog.
We're waiting for our luggage. So ayan, naghintay na sila. Kukuha na sila sa amin. Wala pa sa akin. Hindi ko pa nakakita yung akin. Sana si Joey naman ay base sa kanyang Joey Reninghoff t-shirt.
Please subscribe. I make cinematic vlogs. I hope you like it.
Here in Egypt.
Also here in Egypt. You make blah blah and I make cinematic. Mein Gott, es ist so blur. Warum ist das so?
Hi, we are in the van. This UV. Sabi ko sa inyo na kukunin kami kasi po naka-inclusive na yung basta naka-inclusive na siya, sulat lahat. So ngayon hatid na kami sa hotel kasama si Joey. Nakuha din namin yung mga luggage namin. Doon sa loob ng ano. Yeah. So guys, I'm going to tell you na earlier nagbayad kami ng travel tax. It cost 30 euro per person, no?
Huh?
You paid 30 euro, I paid 30 euro.
Visum.
Yeah, for the travel visa.
Had tourism visum.
Tourist visa.
Normally 25, but we went to the tourism. Wir haben zu viel bezahlt. We paid too much.
Why?
Because we are tourists and we went to the wrong shelter.
Echt? Really? But the state, yeah, we are tourists.
Ja,
Sieht
du
das
weißt
Old
aber ja, wo
Doors.
wir reingekommen sind. Da links, da war es günstiger.
It was Old Doors. We were in Old Doors. We need to go there.
Ja, aber es ist alles Touristenfallen. Wir hätten links, aber es sind nur 5 Euro, mein Gott.
Yeah, but this part, Emma, you save everything. Oh, you save it. Yeah, do. So, guys, kanina, nandito tayo, 4 lang kami dito. German yung dalawa na sa harapan. Ano? O, diba? 4 kami. Yung iba, narinig ko sa ibang hotel sila. Iuna sila ihatid. Tapos kami ni Joey. So, I want to show you na it's my first stop. May stop na ako. Nakalagay dito, entry visa fee. Egypt. Ayan o. It's my first stop.
Ja,
You,
just my second.
it's your second?
Yeah. But second Egypt. But normally I travel with my passport, not with my identity card, not with my passport.
Hey, but you need passport. Everything. Because of
No, if you want to travel to Egypt, to Europe, you just need a passport.
Yeah, Europe.
The identity card, not a
Yeah.
passport.
But if you go out of Europe, then you need this passport.
Yeah, and Turkey. In Turkey you don't need a... Yeah. Turkey is special with Europe.
I have a goal. I want to the papers. I want to make it full of enter visa.
Difficult because
You
it's
have-
only 10 years.
It's difficult, Oliver,
Expired
because
time.
you have no money. Yeah, I have. This is my goal. If I go to USA, I have another stamp.
10 euro.
It's my first stop, Egypt. Now I know, and let's go. Kung nagtanong po kayo, sa All Tours kami nag-book sa online, All Tours. Egypt statue. Guys, parang Pilipinas na. Kita ko ba yung mga tao, naglakad-lakad, ganyan. Parang Pilipinas sa Pilipinas ang dating ba? Ang building lang ang hindi. Kasi ibang ano talaga siya, ibang paggawa. No? Iba yung ano nila dito, architect. Pag ano ng ano yung mga bahay-bahay, yayamanin talaga yung mga building nila, no? Kita nyo. Kaya guys, mas marami pa kayo makikita ang mga tanawin after nito. Ito. Oh, iba't iba talaga siya, no?
Schön sein auf der
Ja.
Seite.
Kaya guys, tingnan niyo po mga palm trees. Wow. Ganda dito na area. Oak. Mga real estate.
Ja.
Hotel. Ito, sari-sari store, oh. Kaya guys, nasa Pilipinas ba ako or nasa Egypt ba talaga ako? Parang nanaginip ako, ha. Kasi may palm trees, hindi siguro. Parang yung mga street dito ba para Pilipinas? Sa Pilipinas lang, no? Oh, look. Naglalakbay, lakad-lakad. May mall sila dito, oh. Parang Tiangge lang din. Dami mga gold, oh.
Zeitlos.
Pizzeria. Wow. Ito ang gabi ng Egypt. Gabi na kasi kami dumating.
Gott sei Dank.
Guys, yung nakasakay dito na unahan, dalawang German. Dito yung hotel nila. So sila yung naunang pinaalis na pinababa.
Oh. Ah.
So kami na lang dalawa ni Joey dito ngayon.
Sumayon.
So ngayon, lo, excited talaga ako makita sa Egypt. I'm so excited to show Egypt to ka guys, no? I'm so excited to show them. And you're excited to show to ka to your friends. You have friends, I have ka guys.
Friend size. Friend size.
Okay. Pero parang Pilipinas. It looks like in the Philippines.
Hier?
Yeah.
Echt?
But the buildings not.
Ja.
The buildings others. But the here the street. Yeah, it's like the Philippines.
Ah.
Meron lang kain-kainan. Huy, naka-open. Sasakyan niya na-open. Guys, andito na po kami sa Hotel Azur. Arabia Azur.
Mosquito. Anti-mosquito.
Wait. We are in the VIP room.
No, but I was here 2 years ago, so that's why I can choose
Upgrade. You can choose the
choose a room, and we
Get-
get apple and
every day.
fruits.
Every day. I can go there later.
Here
Wow, it's
we
fresh.
get this every day because
Every day apple, every day fruits.
because I am VIP,
Wow.
and why I am VIP because I was here before 2 years.
Okay, so now we are going to make a hotel room tour. So ito po yung
Wow.
ito sa
Ja,
labas.
einsteigen.
Open ko to ha. Yeah. Ano, sa labas. Pakita ko rin yan sa mamaya sa inyo yung hallway. But mamaya na kapag pupunta tayo sa restaurant. So mauna-una tayo dito sa CR. Hala, tingnan niyo po ano, wood, no? Wood. Wooden. Yeah, wood. Tingnan niyo, oh. Very tradition talaga, no? Tingnan niyo, oh. Yung ganito talaga yung ano nila, no? Oh. Wow. And here, Oliver Cagas. Salamin. Ay, salamat. Meron silang hair blower. Yan talaga ang pinaka the best. At pero sa dito conditioner. Yan. Conditioner. Body lotion. Ayan. Mga sanitary bag. And yan. Toilet nila. Sanitize for your protection. O, diba? Wow! Bathtub! I want to bathtub here. Look. Here, shower. So, now we have a protection. A safe pala to, safe. You know.
You get free fruits
Ay.
every day, and you can
Ay,
choose,
si Joey nag-vlog.
You can choose if you are here second time, you can choose the room. So I
Yeah.
said, let's give me a number of
In the ground floor.
ground floor on this side.
Kago, so
because-
laki ng hotel nila. Yan oh. May isa dito, isa doon. So, ang mangyayari nito ka guys ay mayroon kaming aircon. May aircon kami. Ayan. Yung TV. May TV sila oh. Ito yung sinasabi ko na libre itong mga prutas na to. Everyday, no?
I don't know, but I think, yeah,
Everyday.
I need to get the
This
VIP
one.
card tomorrow.
You need to get, if you want to order food here, you need to pay this one. Meron ng kape. Agoy, kape.
This
Coffee
is
mate.
like in your
Philippines, coffee mate.
this is like in
Nescafe.
your house.
Hotel?
Yeah. House 7, ne?
Meron din sila ito, royal na tea.
Was ist das?
Uy, tubig.
Guck mal, eine Riesenstechmücke.
Yeah. Wow.
Oder? Ist das eine Stechmücke?
Malaki ng hotel.
Ja.
The hotel is gross.
Habe ich schön ausgesucht.
So, and then they
Are you
have,
happy?
they have a balcony, a little here. So, they have balcony.
Here I was before 2 years with my
Wow.
cousin and we played every day here cards.
Yeah?
Tommy or Mau Mau.
Mau.
Yeah. Write
So-
in the comments what do you know of card games.
So, paglabas mo sa balcon, diretso ka na swimming. Oh, tinan nyo po. Mas maganda to kapag tomorrow. Ay, strand pala to. Tinan kagas, pwede ka daw maligo dyan. Wow. Paglabas mo po ka guys, diretso ka na mag-swimming. O, yan o. Alam nyo, beach po yan, beach. Ito, may swimming pool daw doon na side. Meron ding beach dito. So, itatry natin yan lahat-lahat. So, andito na tayo sa Egypt. Welcome to Egypt! Yay! Dito sa first floor. Ando naman sa second floor ang ibang mga ano. Uy, ang laki pala ng hotel na to ka guys. Super laki talaga. As in. Mabuang dyan lagi kayo binaklay. So, Diyan mag-swimming tayo tomorrow. At saka diyan naman diretso. Pwede ka dyan mag ano. At everyday mag-change ka ng towel dito. Meron mang card na for the change ng towel. So, mosquitoes. So, pasok tayo sa loob ulit. Ayan o, si Joey nagbablog. Nagbablog. Uy!
Are you happy?
Yeah!
Ah.
So, I want to tell to my guys why I wear here this one. This red Arabia Azur Resort.
Yes.
Because of this, you can get everything. No, not
For
everything.
free. Not
So for
everything,
free.
but mostly.
This inclusive. So it means this one. If you go to the restaurant here, in the restaurant, you can get food for free, drinks for free, breakfast, lunch, and dinner for free. So that's why I need to wear it every day. If pupunta ako sa restaurant, magsuot ako dito. Kasi kung hindi ako suot, magbayad ako. Kasi ito man yung, ich weiß nicht da.
Komm mal her. Zeig dir mal.
So, we need to go now in the restaurant. Ang sabi ni Joey, meron ng internet. So, kailangan ko mag-ano. Kasi wala kasi internet kanina. So, ngayon, kailangan ko mag-ano sa internet nila. Kasi sabihan ko na sila, yung mga parents ko ba na, nandito na kami. Kinuha ko. Sana meron ng connection. Yeah. Meron ng connection. So, I need to tell my parents. Versand.
Ja, Uwe hat mir auch schon geschrieben.
Schön. I have a television. Der Television, RTL 2, German television.
Das gucke ich nicht mal in Deutschland.
Sat 1. Merong German television, may Arabic television,
I don't watch
English.
it in Germany and I don't watch it here.
merong French, merong Netherlands, merong Russian,
Lädt dein Internet?
Kids.
Lädt dein,
Poland also.
lädt dein Handy? Bei mir nämlich nicht.
So, ay, wala na, nawal. Ich hab kein WLAN mehr.
Ja, bei mir ist auch weg.
So, we need to go now because the restaurant is until 12 midnight. And I asked them, it's free. So I hope it's free. If it's not free,
Aber nimm mal dein Geld mit und wir holen uns auf jeden Fall mal einen Drink und stoß mal an.
if it's not free, I will tell them that the man will pay that.
And can we please let the cameras here and enjoy our vacation now?
The man will pay for us because he told us it's free. So if we go there, oh, it's not free. Oh, the man told us it's free, so
Yeah.
he will pay for us.
You gave him tip, right?
Yeah, I
How
give them
much?
tip, €5.
€5, so we can use his money then.
No, please don't. That is work, so we need to give. Guys! Kagaling lang po namin doon sa restaurant at saka inclusive nga po talaga. O, ginamit namin to. Ay, hindi namin siya ginamit. Pinakita lang niya. Tapos, libre yung dinner namin hanggang 12 midnight ang dinner nila. Pero, hindi na masyadong marami kasi po late na kami, 11 na, ano na lang, konti na lang kasi kapag before 10 p.m. mas maraming mga pagkain, may chicken, may rice, pero nga po after 10 p.m. konti na lang pagkain na inaano nila ni-reserve, okay, kasi po ano na ba, pa-close na. After that, pumunta kami sa bar, saka libre na whiskey, cola, beer, libre, mga juice, mga ano pa dyan, tapos mayroon silang bar, they have bar here, no?
Yeah, in
Bar.
in every corner they have a bar.
They have no, I mean the club. You can dance, and then there's a one man,
Disco.
teenager. He said, "Oh, you speak German or the English?" I said, "German." Oh, okay, German. Oh, bemakit party. Woo.
Yeah.
But hat figit rum kan is schon.
Drunken German boy.
Yeah. And then after, was machst du da? What are you doing?
No energy.
Echt? Warum
Yeah,
denn?
cock. Doesn't work.
How about there? Hast du schon probiert? Andere Seite, vielleicht da ist nicht funktioniert.
Doch, weil hier in meinem Tablet funktioniert. Guck, wenn ich die reinstecke. Tablet Energy.
But why it's not functioning?
Das ist mein Smartphone.
Why you make
Ja, pusten.
echt?
Maybe there's sand.
There's no sand.
Dann.
Okay.
Okay. Ich habe ja gerade im Sand gelegen, weißt du?
Kaya guys, pumunta kami doon sa strand, sa dagat ba? Tapos sa picture siya sa mga palm trees, gagano ba siya? And meron lang internet dito, pumunta ka lang sa reception, they have internet connection.
Ja, eine Rezeption, ja.
And I hope I can eat it. And I can post, but I need to stay in the reception area.
Ja, Edit kannst du ja theoretisch von überall aus machen.
I can eat it here, but if I post on my YouTube channel, I need to go there. I think so.
We have 1 a.m. so
Yeah, 1 a.m. now in Egypt, but in
today is
1 a.m. in Egypt, but in Germany, it's not 1 a.m. because +1 man dito, +1 ang kanilang oras. So tomorrow, we are going to the city and we are looking for the haircut or salon. We need to have a haircut first. So from the start of the vacation, we have a beautiful haircut, you know? Beautiful haircut. Beautiful! So tomorrow we're going to
Hurghada.
tomorrow we're gonna wake up early at 8
That's a
or
good
9.
idea.
9 a.m. is okay. So and
8
after
a.m.,
that,
yeah.
we're gonna take breakfast here because we don't need to pay for that. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Ay, sarap na. So guys, I'm going to end this vlog. Sana enjoy kayo sa vlog natin today. Please don't forget
Wie funktioniert?
to like, share, subscribe. Huh?
Hier geht's.
Oh,
Hier works.
it works there. So,
Wow.
this has been Oliver Kagas and
Joey Lenninghoff. Can I make my vlog now to the end?
now, cheers!
Bias. Was meinst du eigentlich mit Bias immer?
Buyers!